Foundations of Geometry, question number 9. So the question says fill in the blank and drop down menus to form a true statement below. Okay, so the polygons, a polygon is a multi-sided figure, has dash amount of sides. Okay, so first I'm going to count the amount of sides. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides. Okay, so it has 10 sides. So here we see some verbiage, okay, that you might need to know the definitions for. So we have equilateral. So equilateral means equal, so it means equal sides. Regular means equal sides and angles. So equal sides and equal angles. And equiangular, you probably already figured it out. Equiangular means equal angles. Okay. So in this case, we see that there's the same symbol representing each of the different angles. So that means it has equal angles. And then we see these lines right here. This line means congruent, or that they are all the same measurement. Okay, so all these lines are the same. So it's both equal angles and equal sides. So it's a regular figure. Okay, and then when you have a 10-sided figure, it's called a decagon. All right. So when it's a nonagon, that's a 9-sided. Okay, heptagon is a 7-sided, and then pentagon is a 5-sided. Okay, but again, decagon is 10 sides, so our answer would be decagon. Okay, so let's try the next one. So the next one, again, it says fill in the blanks. Here are the drop downs. So the polygons, again, polygon means multi-sided figure. So again, that means multi-sided figure. Okay, so the polygon has dash amount of sides. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Okay, so it is, so again, we know all the different definitions. So here they don't show us that they all have the same angle, so all these angles are different, but all these sides are the same. So this side, this side, this side, all these sides are the same. So they're equilateral, alright, because they have equal sides, but they don't have equal angles. So it's equilateral but not equiangular. Okay, and then finally, this is a 6-sided figure. A 6-sided figure is a hexagon. So again, this is 6 sides, this is 7 sides, this is 9 sides, and quad means 4, so this is 4 side. Okay, so 6 side would be hexagon. Okay, so let's try the next one. So the next one says we have a polygon, so a multi-sided figure. Alright, we need to figure out how many sides. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So that's a pentagon. Alright, so 5 is pent. Okay, so it is equiangular, regular, or equilateral. So here we don't see all the sides, so we don't see these lines that represents that all the sides are the same. But here we see the same representation for the angles, so that means all angles are the same. When all angles are the same, it's equiangular. Okay, so this would be equiangular. This means equal angle, but not equilateral, because they don't have the same line that represents that each of them are congruent. Okay, and again, a 5-sided figure is a pentagon. Alright, so this is 5 side, 5 so sides of 5 sides. Non is 9 side, hept is 7 side, quad is 4 side. So in this case, it's a pentagon. Okay, so then next one, again, where it says the polygon has dash amount of sides, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides. So yep, we know it's a heptagon. Alright, you know octa, like an octopus, has 8 sides. Okay, because octopus has 8 legs. This is 5 sides. This is 4 sides. This is 7 sides. Okay. Here it says something about concave or convex. So here's a new verbiage. Okay. So when you think about concave, okay, you're stating that the angles. So concave means that the angle, or at least one of the angle, is greater than 180 degrees. So greater than 180. Okay. And convex, which means that the angle, one of the angles, at least one of them, is less than 180. Okay. And you know that 180 degrees is a straight line. So none of these right here are straight lines. So each of these angles are not a straight line, 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 not a straight line. So that means that this would be convex because all of them are less than 180. Okay, because again, each of these angles that we see here, each of these angles are less than a straight line. So that's less than a straight line, 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 less than a straight line. Okay, so again, each of them are a little different than the others. A little different, a little different, a little different, and so forth. Okay. So let's try the next one. So the next one, it says that the polygon has how many sides? So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. Okay, 8 sides are octagon. So again, we need to evaluate if it's convex or concave. So all these angles look less than, well, this right here has an angle like this. So this one's actually concave. So this is concave, because this angle right here is more than 180. That's like almost an entire full circle. A full circle is 360. So this angle right here is greater than 180. So this will actually be concave. Okay. And then the final one, the polygon has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So 4 sides. All right. Each side measured 7, so they have equal sides. And each of these are a right angle, so it has equal angles. So it's a regular shape. It has both equal angles and equal sides. 4-sided figures are quadrilateral. Okay, so let's do some practice on delta. So on delta, let's go. So here we have, it says use the drop downs, fill in the blank. So here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4-sided figure. Okay, so yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So a 4-sided figure. So this angle is less than 180. It's not a straight line. Less than 180. Here it looks bigger than 180. So this angle, because of this angle right here, this is bigger than 180. Right? So that means that essentially this angle is going to make it concave. Okay? So it should be concave. Okay? And then it's a 4-sided figure. 4-sided figure is quadrilateral. I think I'm correct. Okay. So here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, let's count again. Let's start at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. 7-sided figure. That would be a heptagon. All right. So this angle. So I think this angle right here is bigger than 180. This angle right here. That's bigger than 180, I think. Yeah, because 180 would have been this straight line right here, and this is a little bit wider than 180. So this angle is bigger than 180. So because of this angle, it's concave. So it's concave. And then it's a 7-sided figure, so it's a heptagon. Okay, yep, so I told you right there. So here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided figure. 5-sided figure is a pentagon. So it's a pentagon. Alright, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And then because of this angle right here, it's concave. So this angle right here makes it concave. This one. Okay. Each of these are smaller than 180. So that angle right here makes it concave. Alright. So here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-sided figure. 5-sided figure is a pentagon. Alright. And then here they have the same angle but not the same side. So it's equiangular, not equilateral. Here we have our 4-sided figure. Okay. They have the same sides but different angles because there's no representation that the angles are the same. So they're equilateral, not equiangular. And that's a quadrilateral. It's a rhombus technically. Alright, here we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, a six-sided figure. That's a hexagon. Alright, so hex. Alright, and then they have the same angles, so equiangular. I wonder if we're gonna get a regular. Oh, as I said it. So we have a square, right? So four-sided figure, and then this is regular because they have the same sides and then they have the same angles. They have the same right angle. Okay, so quadrilateral because a square is a quadrilateral. Same way a rectangle is a quadrilateral. All right. So and then finally, this is another quadrilateral, four-sided figure, quadrilateral. And then these are neither, so the lines are not the same because there's no representation that all the lines are the same. They don't have the same number. They don't have that line that says that they're the same size. And then all the angles are different. So this is not regular. So this is not regular. And is it concave? No. So that's less than 180, less than 180, or less than 180. So this is convex because none of the angles are greater than 180. Okay. So again, guys, just like that.